quick video on how to clean raised white letter tires or white wall tires. If they're browning or you just have a bunch of grease and grime on there. These are BFGs, obviously, about 3 or 4 months old, and you can see the letters are already brown, which is really disappointing for as much money you spend on these things. And yeah, they look decent, but this browning is just really bad already. And also, when I got the tires, they had that blue stuff on there, but it was really caked on. So I tried Wesley's bleach white, and that didn't do anything but kind of mess up my wheels. But I had them all wet already. You just have to clean them after. I also tried Simple Green, and that was pretty effective at getting the blue stuff off, but still left some on. So now I'm just trying SOS pads and a barbecue cleaner. So I just bought this. It's just a simple barbecue cleaner at Walmart for 88 cents. Pulled off the silver thing, so you can kind of see it kind of broke it off a little bit, but that's fine. And then I just have SOS pads is all I'm using. I've already done two wheels or 2 tires. As you can see, they're much better, much more white than they were. This was the actual one of the tires that still had a bunch of blue stuff left on it, and then this one I just did as well. Good results. So I thought I would make a quick video of the rest of them. You can see they're way better than what they were. This is by no means a Trailer Queen car, but I do like my wheels and tires cleaned. So here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to do the top half letters. All I've done so far is take the SOS pad and just kind of scrub them down pretty good. Just make sure the blue soapy stuff is all over the place. Just kind of smear it on there really good, because you're really going to agitate it with this barbecue brush. So that's the next step. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I scrubbed it with the barbecue cleaner. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rinse it off for you and let you see the results for yourself. So you can see these are way better than what they were, because here's what they did look like before. So this is working for me. Hopefully it helps out someone. If you have any questions, just let me comment.